Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Spotify charts. So launch the Spotify app on your device or visit the official website. Go to the browser tab or search on mobile, and then just look for charts section. You may find options like top 50 or viral 50. Click on the charts to view the most popular tracks and artists globally or in your region. And you can also check Spotify's official charts website for updated rankings and additional insights. So, turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.